Welcome back to another PowerShell video. We've been talking lately about various different components that you can put onto a form. Today we're going to be talking about radio buttons. I will go in depth more with these components in later videos, so I'll revisit each one at a time. But at the moment we'll look at radio buttons. So we've got the code already, so I'll just press play here. This is our radio button, so there's no events driven behind this, it's just simply displaying the radio buttons. So radio buttons give you a choice of what to pick. So here you can see red, green and blue. So let's have a look at the code. So we're creating the form as normal. We've also got the radio buttons here. We've got a red one, a green one and a blue one, and it's just the radio button object there that we're creating it. We're setting the location and the text of it, so the text is different on each one to being green, red and blue, and obviously in a different location, otherwise they'd be on top of each other. Setting the checkbox to equal true, and then adding it to the form. So simple as that. There are no events like I mentioned behind this, but we would add a click event onto that, which I'll show you in the next video to do with radio buttons. So there you go, very simple indeed.